Hey everyone, welcome to Banda Aceh. I finally got here. I was going to take a night bus to get here, but I decided to use my better judgment and buy a $40 flight from Air Asia. Actually, it was Lion Air. I think it took me about an hour. I had a few delays on it, but yeah, it's better than a 10 to 12 hour night bus. So just doing a little bit of walking around right now. I checked into my hotel and I'm just going to check out the mosque. Prayer just finished. I'm not sure if I can get in or not, but let's go check it out. The city is not like Medan. It's much more open and not so congested. I'm not sure what the population is here, but it's a lot less. So much easier to walk around. So I was just talking to the guy at the gate. I can't go in during prayer time. I thought prayer was over, but it's not. So I will take a little bit of a video from out here. It's beautiful with this sunset. It's pretty amazing. Gonna take another way back. The city is so much easier to navigate than Medan. Medan kind of reminds me of a small New Delhi. Just a lot of people. It's a big city. So this cost me, I think it was $33 for 2 nights. So $15. That's the most important thing right there. It's nice. This one is really nice. It's clean and the space in here, there's lots of space. I didn't get a double bed. I guess if they had a double bed, they'd give me one, but that's okay. And the shower. So that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. It's very close to everything as well.